Hey, what's up guys, Anubhav here. Welcome back to another brand new video. Now, as the title suggests, today we're checking out top 6 Android apps that you should definitely download. But wait, it's not a normal video, it's a collaboration with my boy Naman, who, if you guys remember, was the winner of the AR competition, and this collab was supposed to be a gift sort of a thing to him for taking part in it and winning it all together. So be sure to check out his channel and subscribe. He's got some really cool stuff. It'll be the link in the description below. Now, with that being said, if you guys did like this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so the first application on my list is called Feast by KWGT, and basically it's a custom widget skin which you guys know that I absolutely love if I find something that's really cool. And this is the one where the current home screen widget is from. As you guys can see, it says Wednesday in this really cool and minimal style, and it looks really good. More so than that, it's a free custom widget skin pack that you can download from the link in the description below. It has a lot of presets and a lot of really cool styles if you like anything related to something classy and minimal. So definitely check it out, link in the description below.
The next step on our list is Feedster, and in a nutshell, it's basically a one-stop shop for all your social media networks. You can link all your social accounts under the source management tab, and once you do so, you will get a feed comprising of all the posts from your linked social accounts. You also get the options to like, comment, retweet, etc. on the post. Another nifty feature of the app is that you can dive into the settings and configure various options like changing the themes and some feed options according to your liking. It's a super useful concept, especially for people like me who keep jumbling between various social apps back and forth.
Alright guys, the next app on my list is called Subscriptions, and basically that's all it does for you. It's a list of all the subscriptions that you are subscribed to online. So whether you have an Amazon Prime subscription, or you have a Hotstar Premium subscription, or anything from Spotify Premium to Saavn Pro, anything of that sort, you can add the subscriptions here and the amount that you pay monthly, and a lot more information if you want to, including the billing period and all of that good stuff. And basically it just shows you all the subscriptions currently that you have going on in a single place, and you can toggle on the monthly or the yearly to see how much money you're actually spending on them, and if you think it's too much, you should probably stop paying for those subscriptions. It's a really cool app to get some insight about the kind of content that we consume online and the kind of money that we're spending. So definitely check it out if you want your finances in a proper place.
Next up, we have Edge Mask, and basically what this app allows you to do is change the appearance of your notification pop-up. You can choose between a few amazing looking styles such as ripple, big icon, etc. And there's even an Apple message style for you poor people out there. You can also customize the color, duration and size of the pop-up. On top of that, you can add edge lighting for whenever you receive a notification. So if you are bored of the old notification pop-up, this is the app you must try.
Alright, last but definitely not the least, on my list we have an app called Scribble, and Scribble is basically, as the name suggests, allows you to create this really cool animations on different pictures or different sort of GIFs sort of a thing. Which lets you create these really cool animations on different pictures. And the way you do that is very simple. You simply open up the photo that you want to work with using Scribble, and then you can add different lights which are basically ranging anywhere from neon lights to lights that have a lot of different effects such as motion, blinking and all of that good stuff. And it looks super cool because you can be so creative with it and add so many different things, and you literally have to draw on the screen, and you can change the color and all of that good stuff. And you can also download it to your gallery and share it online, in either it's on Instagram or any other social media. It's really cool, so definitely check it out. You guys will definitely enjoy it.
Next up, we have Skit, and it's basically an application manager with some pretty nifty features up its sleeve. You can see the list of the apps that you've installed, both system and user apps, and then you can simply tap on any app and see the entire details of the app. You can see all the permissions you've granted, all the activities that the app performs behind the scenes, all the services and a lot of other stuff. You can also tap on this icon and extract the APK of the app in case you want to, and do some other stuff like searching it on Play Store, deleting it, etc. Plus, you can go to the settings and configure various options like changing the units and even customize the UI of the app. So if you're a nerd and want to know everything that goes behind the scenes in the working of an application, this is the app you must try. And well guys, that wraps it up from my part. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, make sure to check out my channel from the link in the description below. Also, thanks a lot to Anubhav for having me here. It's me Naman signing off, and I'll see you guys on my channel.
And well guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, feel free to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, comment below which was your favorite application. Don't forget to check out Naman. His channel's link will be in the description below. Until then, this is Anubhav signing out. I will catch you guys next time. You guys have a great day. Peace out.